Everything's wrapped up, ready to go. Tucked out of the way. All we need is Jared. So today's the day that Jared's gonna come by, and I didn't make any promises because I don't know what I'm up against with his wiring, but we're gonna at least get this into his trunk. I'm gonna see what he has going on, and maybe we'll tap in, maybe we'll get the doors done. I'm not sure, but he's on his way over right now, and he's gonna see it in person for the first time. I know that he's seen it online because it's hard to hide it, but in person is a whole nother story. So as soon as he pulls up, I'm gonna have him back right on in here to the shop, and we'll see how everything's fitting. We'll see where his wires are at, and we'll see what we can get done today. Hopefully we can make some sound. Yeah. What up, man? What up? What up?
What's up?
You still riding around with them raw door panels?
We are.
Oh.
We got the panels in
You're
the back.
a trooper. They've been in the back seat the whole time. Good shit, man. Let's see if we can do something about that today. Or we'll at least see if this amp rack fits, make sure that everything's going the way I'm planning it to. Do you want to see what it looks like in person?
I do.
I know you saw it online. Nothing I can do about that, but come check it out in person. Then we'll back your car in. There it is, right on the other side of that fan over there.
Man.
It's your baby right there, man. It's yours.
Yeah. That's a piece of art.
Yep. Everything's disconnected though, so we might be able to get the red lights on, but I wound everything up in anticipation of dropping this in your trunk, so it's not really ready to light up or anything, but possibly we could plug the LEDs in real quick just so you can see what it looks like. Hold on, let me get my little outlet. So if we put this in your trunk right now, it's gonna be kind of hard to see the lights until it gets dark, but you should get a good idea if you plug them in right now. So take that little black power pack right there, unwind it. Not that one. Oh yeah, that one. Sorry.
One?
Yeah. I thought you grabbed the base knob. My bad.
Let's see.
Yep. And then plug that into this white one right here. Yep. It's a little smoky in there from my smoke test, so I'm gonna wipe that down before you actually take it. But
Oh my
yep.
God.
Oh, and at night this thing is just blood red. It's so dark red. It's just light in here. These skylights ain't playing.
Oh my
I mean,
God.
yeah. So you got that remote control right there. You can change it to whatever color you want. You just gotta aim at that little white thing. There you go. There.
Oh yeah. Man.
Yep. Of course, you know these things are gonna light up too as soon as your system comes on, and oh shit.
My God. Oh, it looks amazing. Dude, the way it lights up after it's frosted.
Yeah, I can't wait. Let's back your car in.
Yep.
Let's see how it fits, and then if it does, then we'll just take it from there. I mean, no pressure. Just get done what we can today.
Yep.
All right,
Yep.
cool. Sounds good. That's probably good. Take a little look at what we got going on in here. Okay, so it's nice to see that little spacer stopped the box from moving around.
Yeah,
Huh?
it did not move at all.
Not at all.
Perfect.
Okay. Power wires over there.
Yep, power wires.
Ground too?
everything, Yep.
Perfect, man. I got the fuse holder ready to go right there. And then RCAs, where are they at?
Ones ran on each side.
One's around over there and one over here?
Yep.
Is it possible to grab them from over there and have them both come to one side?
Yeah.
Okay, they're long
Definitely
enough?
long enough.
Okay, and then I'm going to need your speaker wires for the front doors as well.
Yep, that's
So-
one's right here, but
Okay.
the other one is right, it stops literally right here.
Okay. That's right. Okay, we can extend it, no problem. Actually, we don't even need to extend it. I have long enough wires coming off that rack, but we might have to attach it from inside the cabin if we can get to it, because the box is in the way, I think. So good shit, man. You got it done. You got it done. All right, let's bring that thing over here and see if it even fits. Would you wheel that bad boy on over here? I'll just do the filming. Like I said, the only thing I'm really worried about is whether or not this trim piece is gonna cause any issues with fitting it. Well, here, take this here roll of electrical tape. It's time to take the old sound stream out, man. Positive, negative off. Wrap that positive up and just send it over here to the right hand side. There you go. Alright, man, take that thing out of there. Yeah, send them straight to the back. What a difference, huh? Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Let's hook up a few wires and see if we can get this thing to light up. Oh, man, these little brackets are in the way. All they're really doing is holding this carpet on, so let's cut them off. We'll get something to clean this up, make them look nice. We'll put some second skin over that too.
Oh, second skin
Yeah,
for the wind.
yep. We'll sound dead and all this stuff. In fact, let's go get a couple of pieces right now, because once this is in, we're not going to be able to do it. So, we got some sitting over here. Oh yeah. Always with second skin. Never going to be without at least a few pieces. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so we'll get some scissors, make a couple cuts. That's very nice. Can't even tell it was even. Alright, so I'll do this side, you do that side. Basically just want to cut yourself a little piece. We'll just kind of go back in behind that. Just cut it. We have one the other side there. So when you're putting this on, man, you're gonna want to stay in the groove inside of here as much as possible, and then roll it outwards. That way you're not bridging any gaps. And we want to cover up some of that stuff that we did too. So see, I'm kind of tucking it in the middle first, and working my way towards that little transition. Tuck it into the transition. And bend the corner. I mean, we can go on and on and on with this trunk, but we need to get this thing playing.
Yeah.
So, you want to do that side or what?
Yep.
Here you go. Some people will make this into an art form.
Yeah.
As long as it's on there and it's got good coverage, that's all that really matters. And you don't have a bunch of air gaps. Looks good though, man. You're a fast learner. I like it. We're going to slap some more second skin in the trunk, just along the back, the parts that we can't get to later once this is already in. It's going to be a lot of tedious work. We got some ring terminals we got to put on the 0 gauge wire. We got to run the remote. We got to tie in the wires for the mids and highs. It's a lot of small little things that take a lot of time to film when we really need to just be getting this thing done. So, you know what I do. Go straight to time lapse. Here we go. I got everything hooked up. The wires are hanging a little bit. We're gonna tuck them in a second, but let's make sure that we got lights before we go any further. Want to go in there and turn your ignition on? Come on, turn on, please. Please turn on. Play a little bit of music too, if it does happen to work. See if those needles are moving. Oh, they're not on yet. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's hot out here too. Those fans gotta be turning already. I got them set to 90 degrees and it's, yeah, they're moving. Awesome. Play some music. Let's see if these needles actually move. We just want to make sure it's all working. Hey, you want to plug your LEDs in real quick? Man, I can't wait to see this in the dark though. All right, man, it sounds like I hear bass, I hear highs playing, so we know it's working. You happy or what? Hey, according to the internet though, we're gonna have to put one of them sparklers up your ass and have you do cartwheels.
Jumping down the street.
Yeah. Stay away from the field, man. We already had a fire. Yeah. No, but this shit is dope, man. I can't wait to see it at night. Fucking no need to even turn it on. Just look at it.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Go put it on my closet wall.
Okay, we got some second skin in. We got the amp rack in. We got the wires kind of tucked away for the night. We're gonna try to finish this up tomorrow. Everything is where it's supposed to be, when it's supposed to be. Everything, man. We're so close. So we got your bi-9 hooked back up for the night. Your one single bi-9. You're good to go. So you have some tunes on the way home. Let's plug the LEDs back in for one more quick little look at it. Oh, so sick. I love it. Let's make the needles move, and then I'm gonna end this video for the night. The VU-DINs aren't even set up yet. We just want to see them moving. I see that blue. Hey, go ahead and shut the trunk. You're out of here for the night, man. Go show it off. Show everybody what it looks like. We'll continue on from here. Yeah, it's gonna be so sick.
Oh my god.
Dude, I can hear your bi-9 in the back. I can tell that it's in the back from over here. We're gonna make it better, man. We're gonna make it better. All right, man. Since this video is not done yet, we're not gonna do the official pull away like I do in my other videos. We're just gonna end it, and we're gonna say, see you on the next one.
All right. See you later.
Yeah, we out of here. So he's all done for the day. He's gonna go home, show it off to all his friends or whoever else wants to see it. Tomorrow morning, as soon as I get here, I'm gonna make some rings so those 6.5 will sit on the door panel really nice and start cutting the holes for the tweeter. Once that's done, I got a little spot I already found for the crossovers. They're gonna get hooked up. I'm gonna have it all mostly pre-wired. When he gets here, we're gonna put it in, we're gonna set the gains, and all of a sudden his eyes and his ears are gonna open up. So stay tuned for the final video after this video when we finish. For now, yeah, it's Saturday afternoon. Almost 3 o'clock. I'm out of here.